guys, how have you all been faring? I hope you guys are doing good. So we're going to be making Cameroon gateau today, guys. This version is very special. Stay tuned. So grab yourself a bowl, put 1000 grams of flour into the bowl, add a teaspoon of nutmeg, add a teaspoon of salt, add 2 teaspoons of yeast, add 4 tablespoons of sugar, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix everything up. So add water and mix till hard, soft. I'm going to be adding in increments of 100 milliliters so we know the amount of water used at the end. So I'm going to add 200 milliliters first. So wash your hands and mix. That's 400 milliliters. Mix. $500 milliliters. $600 milliliters. Mix everything up at this stage until you obtain that hard, soft texture. Seal this up and keep in a warm corner in your kitchen. See you later. So guys, this is our dough after approximately 1 hour. Let me unveil. This is what we have. Form balls out of this and fry. So I got a tray here with a little bit of sprinkled flour, all-purpose flour on it to avoid sticking. So make balls of choice sizes and fry. This is the biggest, guys. So this is what we have. Start frying, guys. Put some oil on the fire heat it up and start frying. So guys, we're going to go ahead and fry on very low heat. Make sure you start on very low heat. Gently move them around to avoid them getting burnt underneath.